Hello everyone, welcome back to MoodleClicks. I'm really happy to see you here again. In our previous video, we learned how to upload users in bulk and automatically enroll them into a course using a CSV file. Now, in this video, we are going to learn something very useful for Moodle administrators and managers. We will learn how to bulk create courses in Moodle using a CSV file. Imagine creating hundreds of courses one by one manually. That would take a lot of time. But with Moodle's upload courses feature, we can create multiple courses at once very quickly and easily. And don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll explain everything step by step in a very simple way. So let's get started. Here we are on the Moodle dashboard. To upload courses, go to Site Administration, then click on Courses, and now click on Upload Courses. This is the Upload Courses page. Here Moodle allows us to upload a CSV file containing course information. Before uploading the file, let's first create our CSV file. I have already created one, so let's open it. For a basic course upload, the required fields are short name, full name, and category. Let me explain each one. The short name is the course short name. This should usually be short and simple. For example, DM101. The full name is the complete course name. For example, Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. And the category field is a category ID where the course will be created. Please note, this is not the category name. It must be the category ID number from Moodle. You can find the category ID from the URL when you open a course category in Moodle. Now let's go to the category where we will upload the courses. Go to Site Administration, then click on Courses, then click on Manage Courses and Categories. Here I have already created a category called Digital Marketing. Let's click on it. As you can see in the URL, the category ID of Digital Marketing is 2. Now let's go back to our CSV file, enter category ID 2 and save the file. Please make sure all column names must be in lowercase and there should not be extra spaces in the column names. Otherwise, Moodle may not recognize the fields correctly. Now let's go back to the Upload Courses page and upload the CSV file. Let's keep the default setting as they are and click the Preview button. Moodle will now show a preview of the courses before creating them. This is very useful because Moodle will also show any errors detected in the CSV file. If there are mistakes, Moodle may skip those courses during the upload. So always check the preview carefully. As you can see, our course data looks correct. You can also see there are other settings available. For now, let's leave them as they are. Now scroll down and click Upload Courses. Perfect. Moodle has successfully created the courses. Now let's verify them. Click Continue. Go to Site Administration, then Courses, and click Manage Courses and Categories. Select the Digital Marketing category. And here you can see all the newly created courses. So with just one CSV file, we created multiple Moodle courses very quickly. This feature is extremely useful for schools, colleges, universities, and training institutes where a large number of courses need to be created. Now let me explain something important. For this tutorial, we only use the basic fields: short name, full name, and category. But Moodle actually supports many additional fields and advanced options during course upload. For example, you can configure enrollment methods, course start dates, course formats, visibility settings, and much more. But for beginners, learning the basic upload process first is the best approach. Also remember, the category must already exist in Moodle before uploading the courses. If the category ID does not exist, Moodle will display an error during the preview. And that's it. You now know how to bulk create Moodle courses using a CSV file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and support the MoodleClicks channel for more Moodle tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.